Your basement wall has a crack in it and it seems to be unlevel. You realize your cinder block wall is starting to bow. Stay tuned and I'll tell you what you need to know about bowing walls. Hi, I'm Nolan Beery and I'm the Director of Sales Development at AccuLevel. Bowing walls are not uncommon. AccuLevel has repaired thousands of homes with bowing basement walls in the Midwest since 1996. In this video, I'll tell you what causes bowing basement walls, what the symptoms are, and how to repair them. Before we go further, please give us a thumbs up and ring that bell. Let's get started. The biggest cause of bowing basement walls is simply called hydrostatic pressure. Hydrostatic pressure is a simple term for water in the soil around your home. So what happens, especially in high clay soils, is as water gets into those clays and is allowed to sit there, that clay actually swells up like a sponge. And so it puts a lot of pressure on your basement walls and allows those to begin to bow in. The most common symptom, especially in cinder block walls, is a horizontal crack down the middle of the wall, the upper part of the wall, or even sometimes the lower part of the wall. And so this crack is usually the most prevalent right in the middle of the wall, away from the corners, because that is the weakest point of the wall. And then you may see stair steps up to the corners. Now, if you have a poured wall, it may not be that simple, but what you'll get is diagonal vertical cracks, to where you have just diagonal cracks going up that wall, and it's because that poured wall is actually starting to lean in due to that hydrostatic pressure. So if you start seeing cracks in your wall, or maybe you're wondering if the cracks are getting bigger or widened, it's a great time to get that wall checked out. Quite simply put, the wall can fall in. Now, it's up to Mother Nature. Once that wall has cracked and it's broke, it's not being held together the way it was designed to do. So now it's completely at the mercy of the moisture in the ground, how much the ground's gonna swell, what the pressure changes of that wall are going to do. So when is it gonna fall in? Nobody can tell you when. And most of the time it's not gonna happen tomorrow, but eventually it will fall in just due to that continued pressure and that crack allowing the wall to separate itself from the rest of the structure. To schedule an appointment with one of our project advisors, give us a call or go to our homepage, AccuLevel.com, and click the Book a Consultation button. Fill out the form and we'll contact you within the next business day. Do you have questions about your basement wall and if it's bowing? If so, please leave them in the comments below. Check out the description for more videos and blog articles on crawl space and foundation repair. And don't forget to give us a thumbs up and ring that bell. We would greatly appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching.